Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So now here we have a cover for an ice cream cup. Okay, this cover has some ice cream dots on it and dried. It has been like this for 3 months or more, and I left it like I just discarded it on my table. So I don't. I was thinking maybe I would benefit from that. Like if you look at it, it looks like a little funnel. Okay, but. It's broke. Okay, there's a little scratch. See, this is a breaking, not a scratch. Okay, so I just said let's see how the dots are looking like underneath the microscope. Okay, so let's start first of all by switching the microscope to the 4x on the objective side. Okay, and here I have a 25 times x for the okay. So it's a 25 times. Okay. So I'm gonna install the the telephone on the eyepiece. Yeah. I think you are wondering whether the other eyepiece is 25 times. Yes, it is, because this is a binocular. I must use both in order to see what I want to see. Okay. Okay, great. I have to find the opening for the eyepiece. Okay. Okay, great. So this is how some parts of the cover of the cup. So I'm using my hands in order to set it somewhere. Okay, and we're now seeing 100 times. Somewhere which has plenty of dots. Okay. And you know, it's the cover is curved, so there are like layers or levels zoom, different levels of zoom depending on where I am shooting. Okay, where I'm setting my stage. Oh, I mean the cover, the cup. Okay. I think I must move the so a little bit. So that's it. So now this is without zooming using the phone. Okay. So this is like the actual zoom, actual magnification, 4 times 25 times, which is 100 times. Now I will be winning another 4 times. So this is like 400 times when I zoom in with the phone. So this is full zoom from the phone, and okay, you can see how things are. Okay, I will have to change the zoom. And let's increase the zoom from the microscope. Now we are on, so we are on 1,000 times. Okay, so we are now 1000 times complete full in total. The phone plus the microscope. Okay, so the current objective lens is on 10 times, 25 on the eyepiece. So this is 250. Okay, so plus the 4 times that you're getting. Okay, so you multiply the 4 times with the 250, so you get 1000 times. Okay, you can see the details. Okay, that's because the cup is curved, so that's why I'm getting this kind of curvy view. Okay. This is nothing but a scratch in the cover. Okay, but those are that saw here earlier are the leftovers of the ice cream. Okay. So yeah, I cannot go further because it will be not understandable. Okay. So this is the maximum I can go. This is how far I can go with the magnification. And thanks for watching, guys. Okay, see ya. Bye. Please subscribe and like my channel.